it's your favorite light-skinned girl, Breezy, and I'm back with another video. And today's video, I am doing a makeup look. I know it's been a minute. Since I did the makeup. Y'all been seeing vlogs. Y'all been seeing the tea chit chat videos. And what else y'all been seeing? Y'all been seeing all type of stuff. But makeup videos. I'm sorry, fellas. This is for the ladies. This is for the Queen Zabas, baby. The palette that I'll be working out of today will be from Jaclyn Hill. I have so many palettes that I have not used. I mean, they're pretty kind of old and like, you know, everybody probably, a lot of people like don't use them yet, but let me show y'all. I have so many palettes. These are all my palettes, and I got more in my drawer that I have not used. I got Carnival Beauty. I got some Too Faced, the Peach palette. I got Anastasia, Beverly Hill. Wait, it's Anastasia. I got Jaclyn Hill. I got all these palettes, and I haven't used them yet. Well, I only used them like one time, and I'm like, let me play fair and let me use these palettes. Don't buy no more palette, Breezy. Use these palettes. If you buy one more palette, it's going down the duck off. So unless y'all want to send me a palette and y'all really want me, and y'all have a beauty, y'all have a cosmetic line, y'all want me to promote any of y'all beauty products, then go right ahead. Send me that palette. Send me that palette. But in the meantime, so yeah, we're gonna do a little fall look since it's still fall. And yes, don't y'all forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell right there. Don't forget to follow my other social medias, which is TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and my Twitter. And be real. So for my brows, I'm going to use the Nicka K Audio Eyeliner. You can use it for your lips, and you can use it for your eyebrows, and you can even use it for a wing liner. And it's very cute. Y'all see the tip is very creamy, and I love how you can twist it up, and it's not really a pencil that you can sharpen, which I love because it's hard for me to you know, sharpen my pencils, and by my hands being paralyzed, and I could just twirl this up when I want. We're gonna start off brushing our eyes, our eyebrows back, because you know you need to keep them straight, just like brushing your hair. You gotta brush out the naps first and then put the product on. You can't just put the product on and then, you know. And this was $1.99 at a beauty store, so y'all make sure y'all go get y'all some. I'm gonna definitely go, and I think this is dark brown. Yep, this is dark brown. But yeah, so I'm gonna get up close. Y'all see me? Hello. Or not in the middle, but like close to the middle, like right there, and I draw a line. I do strokes going backwards, but I'm going forward at the same time. And it is very creamy. Y'all see how creamy it is? I can actually just slide it right there, but I'm not. I'm going to take my time. Trace out my brow. And my wing is not as extended as I want it. So I'm going to create a wing. Just extend it just a little bit, and then when we do at the bottom, we do at the top, just like a math equation. Which math equation is? Algebra. And then when I get to the top, I like to make a little hump and go down and then go straight. That way I have that, you know, I have that arch. Put your arch in that bag. Put your arch. All right. This is my time to play bounce music, buddy. And I don't like to take out I don't like to go all the way to the end when I do my brows. Then I fill it in. I don't fill right here in yet. I start filling in right here. You do. Call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend show. Alright, now I'm about to fill this part in. When I fill this part in, I'm gonna do strokes going up. I'm gonna do it very, very lightly, because you want this part to look a little natural. And then once I like put a little hair strokes, I'm gonna take a spoolie and I'm gonna blend it a little more light hand. Blend it. Eyebrows are browing and we're about to conceal the lip. This Beats by Dab brush. Flat brush. I love a flat brush. The flatter the brush, the better the brush when you concealing your eyebrows. I personally likes to use this foundation from NARS. This one is under Tort. This is Taupe. Is it Taupe? Or is it Toho? Is it Toho? Y'all see? But yeah, I like it because it's thick. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's just the right amount. I feel like you could use your foundation with it and you could, you know, conceal your eyebrows with it. And that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do, because this I start not in the middle, but like close to the middle, and I make strokes going backwards, but go forward at the same time. You gonna blend this out. And just like we do a math equation, what you do at the bottom, you do at the top. Or is it once you do it at the top, you do at the bottom? Y'all remember? If you still take algebra, you know. For my base, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in white. Use it in white. I like to use a white concealer just because, you know, it brightens the eyeshadow. So that's a good tip. Get you a light concealer, don't matter if it's black, white, purple, or blue. They're gonna stop calling my phone. We're not doing a cut crease today. We just, you know, I feel like I'm gonna do smoky. Alright. What I like to do, I like to like place my base, and then I like to get another dry brush to blend it out more. So we're gonna get a dry brush. And we're gonna blend it out some more. Make sure it's blend, 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 blend. Blend till your wrist hurts. Sorry y'all, but I had to do a little voiceover for a few minutes because I had a phone call. But I'm gonna be taking the shadow. It's brown, it's rich, it's chocolate. It's called Crow. I'm just gonna place it in the piece of my eye. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it. Amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid. Now I want to take this shadow called Essence to smoke out the brown. What I like to do, I like to use tapping motions right above the brown and then go and do my circular motions and start the blending. Blend till your wrist hurt, okay? I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. My bad, y'all. I had to do a voiceover right quick just because I was on the phone with my cousins.
The last shadow I'll be using is called Classified. It's a shimmer, so I'm taking this Kiss Natural Finish Setting Spray to spray my brush, and then I'm going to place it all over the lid. This camera didn't give the shadow no justice because in person it's so bright and pigmented. But it's still giving what it has to give.
For my liner, we're going to use the NYX liner in black.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Hey.
Shout out to IMB. They sent me these boxes of lashes. These are called Glam J Volume. It says it don't need lash glue, but they sent me this lash glue adhesive and it works wonders, better than actual lash glue. My lashes stayed on all day.
What I do, I take it out, I leave it, I place it on my hand right here, and I try to maneuver it, like turn it around, and then I grab the tip of the lash, and then I'm barely pinching it. It looks like I'm pinching it, but I'm not. I'm barely pinching it because I can't pinch. So then I'm gonna just place it. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway. Then I use a spoolie to lock it in place to make sure it's under there, under the lid. I fluff it out because I like my stuff to be fluffed out. And yeah, oh my god, I love it. It's giving me volume. It's giving me curl lash. It's giving me natural. All right, we got the lashes on. They are popping. Look at them. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're so cute. I love them. So now we did the eyes. We did the we finished the eyes, finished the brows. Now we're about to do the face. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Go to the shower, to the truck. Alright, y'all, that's the end of my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna leave all of the products that I use down below. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see a skincare routine, because I will definitely do that for y'all. But yeah, I feel cute. I feel like I'm about to go somewhere, but no, I'm about to get off and go to bed. But yeah, y'all be breezy.